Shevchenko Danil. I'm 8 years old. I live in the city of Zaporozhye, Ukraine. I'm in the from to a school 11. I haven't got two sisters, Nastya and Alina. I haven't got a friend. His name is Vsevolod, Danil and Sasha. My favorite color is orange. I like to eat pizza and ice cream and lemonade. I like to write books. I like to play computer games. My favorite animal is a tiger. My favorite toy is a Lego Ninjago.